So Shri Akal guys, welcome back to ES Creative Arts. So this is the second part of Ronaldo sketch in which I will do shading in the outline that we made in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video, then go to I button on the top right corner and watch it right now. So in this video, I will teach you step by step to do shading in this outline. And don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to this channel for more such videos and press the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So first I will apply a base layer all over the face, handle the pencil from back and do the shading lightly. Blend this shading smoothly in a circular way with the tissue paper. You can also do it with the blending stump or any other blending tool. So now I will use 6B pencil to apply dark areas in the eyes. I will also make eyelashes with this pencil. With the help of 2B pencil, I will apply dark shadows in the eyes. Properly observe the reference photo and see the tone of shadows. I will shade eyebrows with 8B pencil. Follow the same process to shade second eye. I will use 2B pencil to apply shadows in the nose. I will do dark shading with 6B pencil. For highlights, I will use eraser. To shade the lips, I will use 2B pencil. Apply the dark areas with 6B pencil. Do a random shading above the lips and blend it. Apply some regular small dots like this to get a better texture. Again apply the shadows with 2B pencil on the right side of the face. Create the shadows on the left side of the face as well. I will do shading on the forehead too. Firstly, I will do regular shading with HB pencil in the ears. And then I will use 4B pencil to apply dark shadows. Firstly, I will use 4B pencil to create light hairs. Do a random shading with this pencil on this portion of the hairs. It will help us to create highlights. Now I will use 10B pencil to create dark hairs. Sharpen the pencil and then apply the strokes. Don't apply too much pressure. I will do detailing in the hairs with the normal mechanical pencil. Now I will shade neck. Firstly, I will apply the base layer with the HB pencil. And now I will apply shadows with 6B pencil. You can use 10B pencil to apply more dark shadows. Now I will shade clothes with 4B pencil. And I will use 10B pencil to apply shadows in the clothes. To shade the coat, I will use 10B pencil. So guys, our sketch is completed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, then like and share this video and comment your favorite part of this video. Follow me on Instagram to get updated and subscribe to this channel. Interesting content is on the way. So see you in the next video. Udo tak ਲਈ stay good, stay in chardikla.